Yo dudes, what's up? Back with another video. In today's video, we'll be fishing this amazing gigantic pond I found on Google Maps. It's a little bright. Let me help you out. So, we'll see how it goes. But it is spawning season right now. Maybe we're a little bit past it for ponds, but the lakes have just now started spawning. So, this is kind of like a lake, I guess. Look how big this shit is. Got some brush over there too, which is nice. But let's see what we can kill today. Bah! Alright guys, we're at the first spot, which is this. Random thing sticking on the water, and here is my arsenal: weightless rope worm and a weightless fluke. That's all I have. But we'll see if we can get them. Let's go. What's the thing I hate the most about weightless worms? They take forever to sink, but they work so good. Still no bites. Let's go. He's so focused. Now, unfortunately, the stupid camera overheated. Bruh. He's a chunk. This is what I caught him on. Caught him on a fluke. A good old reaction bite. Let's go. Safe releasing this guy. Oh, look at the fry. He's guarding some fry too, I think. I don't know. That's him. Good fish. Let's go, boys. I hate the sand. I hate walking outside. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. How would that work with this little fish? Oh my god. Let's go, boys. Let me get that. Thank you. Feels so good right here. Update. We are 5 hours in. Caught like 6 fish. Missed more than 6. But we're chilling. We're here with our boy Matt. You see what I mean? We're here with our boy Matt, and it's been going pretty good. This pond has some really big fish in it. It's just, can you get to them? We'll update y'all again. Oh, see him? See him right there? See him? That motherfucker, see him?
Is that you?
Your shit.
You don't have to. You didn't bring a lightweight rod?
No.
That's your fault.
Ah, you're right. Oh, he's following you. He's following you. Look, this one's been busting on fire. I think I saw it through.
Dude, I was working the bed earlier.
Dude, this fucking cake over here. Alright guys, we just stumbled across a 5-pounder guarding its fry. First one to catch it is not gay. Oh, you gotta bite, you gotta bite! Yeah, I don't want you, but just quit.
Where's his from?
It's like a little tiny red patch.
It's not better from over here.
Update, we're probably not gonna catch him.
Dude, just don't jerk bait.
Oh, you said jerkbait? I'm not really good at that game. No, he didn't turn.
You can't see him no more.
Man, there's so many just cruising the bank. I just saw another one. That was low-key a stud. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's betting. He's betting. He's betting. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. Come on. Oh my god. Dude. That's fucking massive. Come on. Come on, doggy. Come on, doggy. Whoa. Whoa. Matt. Oh my god. 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 Look at this thing. Backwater boys, baby. Look at this stud, boys. Big old stud I just caught. On a freaking fluke. Can you believe that? Look at him. Look how beautiful he is. Such a nice fish. Let's get a safe release on him.
Bruh.
Satisfaction.
I kind of want this. Let's go for the
Look at this. Dumbass.
This is bullshit.
So guys, we found a bedfish, and he eats everything but eats nothing. That makes sense to you?
You're right. I think that is his bed. I'm sorry if I said that I could smack you.
Nah, I just get the thing. Dude, just give up, bro. He don't.
Oh my god, he wants yours more. I think
See,
he likes
what
your
is that color, bro? Point. There you go! You go! You! Go for it!
It's only what, 3, 2?
I think it's a 2.
I'm gonna go catch my fish.
Look at these boys on a fluke. Hey, they don't like him, man. They don't like him. What can I say? I'm that guy. I'm that guy. Let's get a safe release on her. Oh boy, just caught one out of the stump here. Solid 3-pounder. Look at it. I put my girlfriend on. Got her a fish. She caught this one. Let's go, boys. Studs. So guys, unfortunately that concludes today's video. Caught so many fish. Me and my boy Matt over there killed him today. But unfortunately today was a mid-tier video. Just want to pump a quick video out to get it for y'all. But if y'all still watching, I appreciate that. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be better than this one. But there's more studs to come in this pond. We'll definitely hit it again, so you'll definitely see another video about that. Bye bye.